Hello everyone, it's time to update your operating system once again. In this short video, we'll go over how to do that. We've gone over updating before in the past, so if you've done it then, this shouldn't be overly too difficult for you. The newest OS, as of this recording, is Monterey, so we'll want to get to that. The easiest way to see what operating system you are on is to go to About This Mac, under the Apple pull-down. To update, it's as simple as going to Self-Service and locating the correct OS. You'll be able to find Self-Service on your desktop, or in the Launchpad located in your dock. Once we're in Self-Service, we'll want to find the Monterey installer, and click the installer to get started. Like last time, there are 3 things you'll need to do. You'll have to make sure it's plugged into a power source. Make sure you have plenty of time to update without using the device. And have at least 26 gigabytes of open memory space. If you need help making space, this video here should help you out. Once you've done these steps, the install should start and the machine should update. See you next time.